Don't know if I'll ever use this video. It's Mojo14, your boy Lolo, out here in the homestead. And by homestead, I mean the drone aviation facility. We got a, tell them about it. What is that?
Mavic Air and a jellyfish.
So we're gonna zip tie a paper jellyfish to a drone.
Gonna freak out all the tinfoil hat neighbors.
Right. So tinfoil hat neighbors. We're gonna attempt to.
I'm not really sure what we're gonna attempt.
I don't know. We're gonna get there though,
But it's
and
gonna
so
happen, whatever it is.
we're gonna get some, hopefully some crispy B-roll real quick.
Yeah, we got it. You know we got it. We got that B-roll.
What are we doing right now?
I'm gonna fucking hook this jellyfish to this drone and see what happens.
Oh, I needed a firmware update, but that too.
Okay, hold on, we're gonna do the calibration dance.
Hi, I came to offer you chips and guac.
Guac Patrol's here. Did you christen it?
I'm about to.
And that's the day Logan's drone got away. Wave by. I mean, I call that a success. When you have no goals whatsoever, everything's a success. Yeah, you got a low bar. We should go to the bar, Lolo. That's not terrifying. Avoid all precautions. That's terrifying.
Where are you going?
Should go the other way.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
And so ends the impromptu drone video. So that was a Saturday with me and my boy Lolo messing around, decided to film it, try to turn it into a video. Always looking for ideas. We got a nice spendy drone we can zip tie things to, so if anything comes to mind. Also want to thank you for being here. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Still waiting for the pirate to show up with the buried treasure, if you know what I'm saying. And stay tuned to see what comes next.